Hey, my name is Brian. Are you looking to make money online? Well, there's a little known passive side hustle that pays out millions every month, and you've probably never even heard of it. The cool thing is it's 100% beginner friendly and allows you to make recurring income. And it's the same business that I do every day from the comfort of my own home. The best part is I have nothing to sell you. There's a free 30-day trial. If you want to try it out, you can. You can try it out for free. We're providing a ton of value. We're giving away a free course that shows you how to do it. We're showing you step by step. We even have a live boot camp every Monday. So if you hit the like and subscribe and comment below free course, I will get you the link to the free course and even offer you a Zoom session to get you going. So once again, we show you step by step how to get going so you get results and not feel overwhelmed and not get stuck. So what we're going to do is we help small businesses with solutions, with marketing, answering their phone, AI solutions. We have what's called a missed call text back. We have calendars, appointment calendars. Even the AI can book people on our small businesses' calendars. So that's pretty cool. We have what's called AI conversations now that can basically answer the phone and have full-on conversations. There's a whole ton of things that we can offer for services to businesses to basically get clients that are wanting what they offer. So a lot of times people will call a business and they can't answer the phone or they don't answer the phone because they're too busy. So once again, we have missed call text back. We have the AI that can answer the phone now. We have the AI that can answer full-on text messages. And there's a whole bunch of other things that we can do and offer. Hey, if you want to learn more about that, click on the link, subscribe. Check it out. Try the 30-day offer. The cool thing is you can get paid month after month to offer these services to small businesses. You get paid month after month. I do. I get paid month after month for services that I provided my local businesses. And it's amazing. It goes to my Stripe account. I get paid. And then it goes to my bank. I use the money. And I'm consistent at this all the time. So for me, I've been doing this the last 4 years. And it's amazing. My income grows, my business grows, and people keep paying for the services that I provide them. So if you lost your job, if you're looking for something more stable, you want to grow an online income, this could be it. It's consistent. It's consistent cash flow over time. It can be passive. So if you hang on, I'm going to show you how it works. So first off, here's the step-by-step checklist we gave you. We have some fast track training. We talk about who we are, what we're selling. Get on our partner link. We talk about shortcuts. Join our support group. Join our Discord. We talk about shorts. We give you content. We give you over 400 AI tools that you can sign up for to even sell as an affiliate. You can sell these to small businesses so they can use them. We give you basically all kinds of things that you can use. SEO tools and OBS for video production, all that good stuff. We show you what you need to do to get your first paying customers and get going. We give you long form content, Instagram short form content. It's all right here. You can download it and use it to get customers right away. You can post on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. So here's some Instagram reels and posts you can use. You can use this content and post it on your Instagram to generate more paying customers. Then we have YouTube long form content, which you can recreate these videos. You can recreate these and use them. We give you the thumbnails as well. So we give you the thumbnails, give you the videos to recreate, and emails that are pre-written. We give you pre-written emails to send out to your future customers to go from there. So we talk about Shinify, talk about our system, which is Go High Level, talk about FlowChat, Bootcamp. We have a bootcamp that shows you what to do step by step to get started making money online. It's actually really cool. So if you're consistent and you do this every day with intention and you focus, you can make this work. You might start out making $100 a day, then you're making $300 a day, then you're making $500 a day. And then pretty soon, bam, you're making $1,000 a day because you were consistent. So like me, I do all kinds of things here. I sell websites, I sell automations, I sell the email service. We have hosting. We do hosting for websites, hosting. We have the AI conversations now. The AI can answer the phone. It can also have full-on text conversations. That can save customers. It can also acquire customers that call in and you don't answer the phone, or the business owner doesn't answer the phone. So think of all these service businesses that are too busy to answer the phone, like haircutters. What if they're cutting hair? They can't answer the phone. Or a roofer, he's on a roof. Or maybe a plumber, he's under the house fixing some plumbing. How can he answer the phone if he's under the house fixing plumbing? So that's where our services come in. They can retain these customers. So we have all these services. I will show you on the inside how it works. So we have our conversations. This is where all the conversations happen. It's like a singular inbox for your email, texting, WhatsApp, Facebook messages, Instagram, all that stuff comes in here. Texting, Instagram, all that stuff. So we have a calendar function. Everyone on the team can have a calendar. So people can book themselves on your clients' calendars, all that good stuff. They have links. I'll show you how that works. So you can share these calendars out just like Calendly. They're shareable, all that good stuff. We have conversational AI that actually does full-on text conversations. And then we have conversational AI which does phone conversations as well. It's pretty amazing. It's getting better and better every day. So we have WhatsApp, we have reputation management for Google My Business, and people that want to do reviews. We have all kinds of stuff here. We have domains, hosting, URL redirects, integrations. Actually, let me show you that real quick. So we have our Launchpad where all the integrations happen. We have a phone app. So we have Google My Business, Facebook integrations. We have texting. We have WhatsApp integration. We have Stripe integration. Yext, that's where you can get indexed all over the internet. And then we have WordPress hosting. And then you can add team members really easy right here. Add team members, whether they're VAs or actual employees or assistants. You can add them right here. You can have unlimited users and unlimited team members. You can take payments from the system, so you don't need a payment processor. You can add products, add coupons, all that good stuff. You can do courses. So we have a course builder, just like Kajabi. I think it's even better because it's all contained here in the system. Here in the system, and it's just as good. It's actually, I think, like I said, I think it's even better because it's all here in the system. You can sell it. You can sell the courses. You can sell products. You can do virtual products, all that good stuff. Hey, we show you how to do this. We show you also how to be an affiliate of this, plus 400 other products. So right here, we have 400 AI tools, which you can become an affiliate for. You can sell these and make affiliate commissions on. Hey, if you want to get started, click a like, comment, and subscribe. And you click on the link below. You can try this for 30 days. And if you get started, I will do a 45-minute Zoom session with you to show you what you need to do first to get started, to get going and get your first paying clients. All right. So once you do your 30-day trial, we can have a Zoom session. We'll get you going. We also use this social media posting tool. It's called Radar. So we have all kinds of tools we use. Really cool. The list goes on and on. The opportunities are there. This is also a CRM. A lot of people use it just for that, but there's a ton of things you can sell individually as well. So we have new leads, reviewing, LOI, offer, pending. So it depends on the business, but these are all usable. It's kind of like Trello, but like I said, it's all built in. And then we have Pipedrive, which is our CRM. And anyways, we have the dashboard, which tracks everything. So this is our dashboard. It tracks everything, tracks how things are happening, tracks Google leads and Facebook leads, Google My Business, your business profile, Facebook ads, all that good stuff. So if you want to make money online, click on the like, subscribe, and you can try the 30-day trial out. If you like it, it's just a small monthly fee. It can pay for itself right away. It's anywhere from $97 to $297 a month. And on the $297, it's unlimited accounts. You can sell unlimited accounts with the agency. Or you can just get people started up on the affiliate program and make 40%. So once again, if you want to try it out, do the 30-day trial, and we can get on Zoom and talk about it. Hey, thanks. Have a great day.